There was a time when I saw Thailand through the eyes of a tourist, like most people do. Beautiful beaches, colorful night markets, amazing foods, cheap massage, endless entertainment. And for a while, I thought that was Thailand. But a few years ago, when I came back and stayed longer, something changed. I slowly realized that I was no longer a tourist. And the moment that happened, my entire perspective changed. I used to tell my friends that Thailand has a dark side too. Every country does. But many people don't want to hear that, especially those who only come here for a week or two. Those who stay in the tourist area, spend money, party, take photos, and fly home. They see one version of Thailand, a beautiful version, but not the whole story. One day I may create a separate series about the darker side of Thailand, the stories I've seen, the people I've met, the dreams, the disappointments, the mistakes, and the reality hidden behind the postcard image. But this video isn't about that. This video is about the day I stopped being a tourist. The day I understand that living in Thailand is completely different from visiting Thailand. I learned that you don't need to spend $50 or $100 every day. You don't need expensive restaurants. You don't need taxis all the time. You don't need to be in tourist area every weekend. You don't need to party every night. Sometimes you just stay home. Sometimes you cook your own food. Sometimes you buy vegetables from a local market. Sometimes you eat at a small Thai restaurants where nobody speaks English. Sometimes you take the BTS. Sometimes you take a crowded bus. Sometimes you walk. And when you start living this way, something interesting happens. The illusion disappears, and that's not a bad thing. Thailand stops being a vacation, and it starts becoming real life. You begin to see ordinary people, ordinary struggles, ordinary happiness, families, workers, students, grandparents, people simply trying to live their lives, just like anywhere else in the world. And honestly, I started to love Thailand even more when I saw that side of it. Not the tourist version, the real version, the local version, the everyday version. Right now, as I'm recording this video, my visa is close to expiring, and I still don't know what will happen next. Maybe I'll stay, maybe I'll have to leave for a while. Maybe a completely new chapter is waiting for me somewhere else. But one thing I know for sure, this isn't the end of my story. It's only the beginning. I've promised myself that I will share this journey exactly as it is. No exaggeration, no fake success stories, no pretending, just real life, the victories, the failures, the uncertainty, and hopefully one day, the success. Whether that success happens in Thailand or somewhere else, I know it will come. And when it does, you'll know exactly how the story began. Because you've been here from the start, watching the journey unfold one chapter at a time.